You are a degree or a master degree holder having 4-5 years of experience, and you are currently drawing, let us assume that $2,000 per month, or let us assume that if you are in India you are drawing maybe 50,000 per month, and you are looking forward to earn more. You want to earn $10,000 in just another 2-3 years. Is that possible? Pretty much possible. Hello everybody, this is MVK. I am working as director for one of the big 4 consulting companies in Dubai. I have around 25 years of experience. I have worked almost 10 to 15 countries globally. Please subscribe this channel and also like this channel and click the bell icon if you really like this. If you are a experienced guy, take an experienced guy now, right? I just mentioned 4-5 years. Let us assume that you are in a functional field and you are doing some kind of functional job. In India, you might be getting somewhere 50,000 rupees per month, or you are some other country where you are getting somewhere, maybe I'm taking an example of some other country anywhere globally, where you are getting $2,000 per month. How to make this $2,000 to $10,000? How to make this $50,000 to $10,000? SAP is the answer for this. You have lot of options to get into there. How? SAP, one of the most aspired, wanted application by all big MNCs, which is having almost 75% market share and more than 291,000 customers as on date. And believe me, this is the profession which is churning for the past 40 years and it is still going up and up. Whoever working in SAP, they are still most wanted. Go, do the job, spend 4 hours per day, just 4 hours per day. Train yourself in the related modules which you are supposed to be doing. If you are a finance guy, do SAP Finance. If you are a HR guy, go and do it SAP Success Factor. If you are a production guy, and do it SAP PP module. If you are a procurement guy, do Ariba, do MM. If you are a projects guy, do SAP Project System. If you are a real estate guy, SAP REFX. If you are a technology guy, infrastructure guy, do SAP Basis. All these programs are available on training. You can go and check training.sap.com. You have courses available including certifications for all these areas. Take any one. The details of each and every specialization I have prepared a separate video. Go and check them. Pick one. Do proper dedicated training. Spend 4 hours per day minimum for 4 months. Done. You are ready for the battle. Go and do it some kind of a live project. Do some kind of a dummy project for another 3-4 months. Join as an intern or trainee for another 6 months. 4 months, then another 2 months or 3 months as a dummy project or live project consultant. Another 6 months as a trainee or intern. Try to join as a trainee because it is easy. With your experience, they will take you as training. 6 months. Don't leave the company. Work for another 1.5 year. You may be getting the same 50,000 if you are in India, or probably you may get 25,000. My friend, it is an investment for you. Don't lose that. If you are globally anywhere, probably you may get same $2,000. Do it. Don't miss that. Work for 1.5 year. Don't change the company. At least work for 2 years. You try to do at least 1 or 2 implementations. You are all set. With 2 years of experience, with such a 4-5 years of functional experience, you can immediately jump $6,000 to $7,000. With another 2 years of experience, you will jump to the $10,000. Done. In the matter of 3 years or 4 years, you are reaching 10,000 mark. In India, how it is possible? You join TCS, you join Infosys, you join Wipro, work offshore, go on site, pick on site opportunities, go there, get per diems, you will get per diems. Stay there, work for 1 year, 1.5 years, come on, done. There are a lot of opportunities in Dubai, there are opportunities in Saudi Arabia, UK, Netherlands. You have opportunities in US, too many opportunities are available in US. Once you go there, work for a couple of years, gone. Khalas, you are in the game. You will be reaching that number. But to go there, all the points which I said, you need to follow strictly. This is very, very, very important. Training, internship or live project, then trainee job, finally associate or assistant job for another 1.5 years, you are all set. This is a simple 5 minutes talk how to reach from 50,000 rupees to $10,000. What is $10,000 value? I don't need to tell you. Okay, choose that and let me know your success. All the best. Thank you.